Unlocking garlic's superpowers, benefits for health, babies, and more. You may have heard the notion that garlic may be used to fight vampires. Although there is no evidence to substantiate the existence of vampires or this garlic hypothesis, it does serve as a disease prevention agent. Allicin, a chemical found in garlic, has exceptional antibacterial capabilities. Garlic eating on a regular basis can help boost the body's defenses against germs. However, heat has the ability to damage this molecule by interfering with its absorption. But don't panic, there's a solution that keeps its positive features. The health benefits of garlic. As youngsters, many of us had mothers who treated seasonal colds with onion and garlic syrup. It wasn't until we became older that we really appreciated its remarkable capabilities. This medicine can be taken all year to strengthen your immune system. If you don't like garlic, add it to your normal meals. Even a small amount can help treat mild infections. The key to preserving its health benefits is in the preparation. High temperatures can destroy them. A TikToker proposed a solution to this problem. The creator of the account at Genie.Gina is a doctor who is dedicated to spreading medical knowledge. On her platform, she provides several suggestions, investigates various disorders, and aids in the unraveling of complex medical mysteries. In one of her films, she addresses the power of garlic and how improper preparation can result in the loss of its important components. When crushed and added to a hot skillet, allicin, the component with essential antibacterial effects, is lost. Although flavorful, the product loses all of its health-promoting properties. To prevent the loss of this beneficial ingredient, cut the garlic and wait 10 minutes before adding it to the pan. This allows allicin to stabilize and withstand destruction by heat. What are the superpowers of garlic? These include lower blood sugar levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes, improved brain health, and protection against certain cancers due to garlic's antioxidant effects. Garlic has also displayed some promising cardiovascular protective benefits. Is garlic powder safe for babies? Babies can safely consume spices like garlic powder, oregano, cumin, turmeric, sweet paprika, onion powder, and nutmeg. I recommend starting with spices and seasonings that you commonly use in your own cooking. This will help your baby develop a taste for your food. Things you may not know about garlic. Did you know that garlic cultivation goes back 5,000 years? The earliest records of its cultivation came from Central Asia. There have also been reports that it was utilized as a medicinal plant to boost immunity among builders. Garlic was brought to Poland throughout the Middle Ages by traders transporting foreign commodities. Even then, it was used to make therapeutic syrups from milk and honey to cure coughs and lung illnesses. Contemporary scientific research has provided light on how to handle garlic in order to keep its valuable characteristics. While consumption has numerous health benefits, moderation is essential. Excessive intake may irritate the gastrointestinal tract. As the expression goes, even medicine can be toxic in excess. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.